Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Bushra's class. Are you ready? Okay, today we are reading a story. Mom always loves me. Let's start. What do you see in this picture? Yes? What do you see in this picture? Excellent. A boy and a woman. Very good. Do they love each other? Yes. How do you know these people love each other? Good. Because they look happy and hugging, like hugging, hugging each other. All right. Answer yes or no. The boy and his mom are smiling. Look, look, smiling, smiling. Yes or no? Good. Yes. The boy's eyes are closed. Look. The boy's eyes are closed or open? Open. Very good. So the boy's eyes are closed. Yes or no? Excellent. No. All right. So let's learn new words. Are you ready? Ruby is late for school. Ruby is late for school. Is Ruby at school? No. Is Ruby late or early? Late. Very good. So we say Ruby is late for school. Very good. My pajamas are green. My pajamas are green. Are my pajamas blue? No. What color are my pajamas? Look at the color. What color are my pajamas? Excellent. Green. So we say my pajamas are green. I put on my red hat. I put on my red hat. Do I have a hat? Yes. Is my hat blue? No. Is my hat red? Yes. Thank you. I put on my red hat. Finn sleeps on the stairs. Finn sleeps on the Stairs. Is Finn on the bed? No, thank you. Is Finn sleeping? Yes. Is Finn on the stairs? Yes. Thank you. I do my homework. I do my homework. Do I play now? No. Do I work? Yes. Do I do my homework? Yes, excellent. The baby wears yellow socks. The baby wears yellow socks. Are the socks yellow? Yes. Are the socks red? No. So we say the baby wears yellow socks. Okay, vocabulary quiz. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here you go. Everyone, I'm giving you 1 minute. I want you to look at the picture and write the correct words. There you go. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's check. What is the answer of number 1? Ruby is for school. Late or wild? Excellent. Late for school. My are green. Hands or pajamas? Very good. My pajamas are green. I do my homework or painting? Excellent. Homework. Very good. Let's read. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mom always loves me. Yikes. It's already 8 o'clock. I'm late for school. I'm still in my pajamas. I put on my clothes. I fly down the stairs. I run out the door. Here comes the bus. Oh no, I forgot my homework. Wait, wait, Mom yells. She runs in her pajamas. She runs in her socks. She has my lunch in her hand. She has my homework too. My mom is the best. I love you, Mom. All right. I want you to listen one more time. Ready? One, two, three. Let's start. Mom always loves me. I'm late for school. I'm still in my pajamas. I put on my clothes. I fly down the stairs. I run out the door. Here comes the bus. Oh no, I forgot my homework. Wait, wait. Mom yells. She runs in her pajamas. She runs in her socks. She has my lunch in her hand. She has my homework too. My mom is the best. I love you, Mom. All right. Now you have some questions and I want you to answer. Everyone, I'm giving you half minutes. I want you to look at the picture and answer the questions. Your time starts now. All right. What time is it? Look at the time and tell me, what time is it? It is 9 or 8 o'clock. Yes? Good. 8 o'clock. What does the boy's mom wear? She wears a dress or pajamas. Excellent. She wears pajamas. Very good. Okay, everyone, I'm giving you 1 minute. I want you to read and circle the correct answer. One, two, three. Your time starts now. Time's up. Okay. Number 1. I wake up or put on my clothes. I, very good. Put on. Put on means wear. I put on my clothes. Excellent. I fly down the stairs or slide. Yes, I fly down the, very good, stairs. My mom runs in her socks or shoes. My mom runs in her, yes, my mom runs in her socks. Excellent. Check true or false. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Is it? It's 8 o'clock in the evening or in the morning? In the morning. So it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Is true or false? Excellent. False. The boy gets up early. The boy gets up early. The boy gets up early or late? Late, right? Because he was running. So the boy gets up early. Is it true or false? Excellent. It's false. Very good. All right. I'm giving you half minute. I want you to read and check the correct answer. 1, 2, 3. Your time starts now. All right, time's up. Thank you. What is the boy late for? A soccer game, a party, school? Yes, school. Why does the boy's mom run outside? A, to get on the bus. B, to say she loves him. C, to give him his lunch and homework. Excellent. To give him his lunch and homework. Thank you very much everyone for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.